Yeah, question 2, we have integral of these two functions, okay? And then the u must be the function that is what? That becomes singular on differentiation. So u is equal to what? Let u be this one. This one becomes singular on differentiation. So the u is equal to what? 2x dx. And then the v is equal to this function. So the v, integrate this. So we have v equal to what? Exponential to the power minus x. Okay, then let's now plug in our formula. So we now have equal to our question. We can call this question, let's make it an I. So equal to uv, this is my uv, which is what? Minus this times this, then minus integral of v, my v is what? Minus, okay, times du. My du is what? 2x dx. Then we now have, this will give us minus this, minus x squared times exponential to the power minus x. Minus times minus, that's a plus. Then integral of this one and this one, that will be 2x times exponential to the power minus x dx. So if you now check our question now, you now realize that this one also, there's no direct table. It's also a product of two items, which is this one and this one. Okay, so we need to repeat the process of what? Of integration by parts. My u is what? My u is what? 2x. Then the u is equal to what? 2 dx. So you can now see that, now that your u is reducing. Okay, finally we have a constant 2 dx. Okay, but if you have already made this one your u, it won't have an end to just keep on like that, to keep on giving you exponential to power minus x. So your u must be differentiable and must become singular on differentiation, must be reducing upon differentiation. So the v for this case is what? Is exponential to power minus x. Integrate this one. So we have v equal to what? V equal to this. Okay, let's substitute. For this question, we have uv, which is what? Minus 2x times this, then minus integral of v, which is this, times what? Du, times 2 dx. So that will give us what? This one. Minus times minus, that's a plus. Then we have 2 integral of what? Exponential to the power minus x dx. So this will now give us what? On the final note, we have this. This will plus 2 times integral of this one is what? Minus this. Don't forget what I said. If you integrate this one, it's going to be what? Integral of exponential is the same. The answer is the same as the question, but you must divide by the derivative of the power over minus 1. And that will be what? That will be this. So we now have this now, minus 2 times this function. So that's what we have for this integral. So the final thing we just do, we just come back here and plug in the value for this one. So our answer will now become, I will now become equal to, what do we have here? We have the first one, minus this, and then plus the constant of integration. And that's the answer for this. So the next thing we just need to do is open this bracket, and that will be equal to what? That will be equal to plus times minus, that's minus. So that's that on this question. So please, if you are new on this question, kindly click on the watermarks of this video and subscribe. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Okay, and if you are a returning subscriber, please begin to type your comments, click on like button and share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.